break in. Yay! It's shaking. Hey, don't push me off.
I will push you out.
Hey,
It worked.
it worked.
Wait.
Hey, hey, Larry!
This is
No,
where
Scary Larry.
go to.
Scary Larry, no.
Wait, I'm here now. I'm here.
Where am I? Uncle Pete is still holding the rat.
Hey. I'm squished by everyone.
Oh, it's Mary.
Oh,
These losers woke up.
it's Mary.
This will be fun. Hello? Leaders World Presence. No, it's not Scary Larry, it's Larry. Detective Bradley Billings. Scary Mary. Yes. Oh, Scary Bear. The Purgers. The twins. Wow. Break entry. What? Larry, Barry, Mary.
Let's go now. Wait, Scary Larry's at.
Where do you guys think she went? It's here.
Look.
She went here. Wait, there's a barrier here.
I'm gonna stop.
Break entry. Dun, 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 dun.
I want to make.
You can't move it. Okay, team, let's do this. Where? Hey, wait!
Ito.
What is that?
Here. What is this?
Ouch!
Hey, what is this?
There's some bear traps.
Go to the bear trap. It doesn't hurt.
Okay. Ouch! There's some ice.
We have pizza.
We have pizza. Mmm.
Don't eat it.
Why is there a light here? It's a pizza.
What happened?
I found another pizza.
What happened to the alpha glass?
There. Ow! I want a cola.
Let's explore this. What is this?
Did the bear traps hurt?
No, they don't. They actually don't. Wait, Uncle, let's step on it. Let's hurt.
No, it hurt me.
Yes, it hurt. What's that? Wait, where is Quado? Dog. Where is Quado?
I don't know.
Maybe Quado is from the twins. Or maybe
Ow!
you slipped on the ice.
I know.
Stop slipping on the ice. Slip in the ice. Go to the ice.
No.
It doesn't hurt.
I want to go here. Larry, what are you doing?
There's a
Doing
bunny.
some kind of magic. Where is Twaddle?
Oh, that's what I was saying.
Oh,
Inside.
here's Twaddle.
Hey, Scary Larry.
Hey!
What? Wait, Larry, why are you stepping on the fire?
Ah!
Larry's pants is on fire. What?
Where's Twaddle?
It's Quado is there now. You don't see.
Where's Twaddle? Hey! Hey, Uncle Pete, find your pet Twaddle. I know, where's Twaddle?
Who's that? It is Quado.
Someone heard that? Yeah,
Squado.
I heard that. Maybe it's Swado, yeah.
Maybe it's Squado.
Yeah, maybe it's Swado.
It's
It's Swado!
Yay! If there is the twins, I will eat out.
Wait. The twins! Swado!
Don't leave us, Squado. You're my best friend, Squado. The twins! Ah!
The twin caught me. Swado, lead the way.
I'm scared of the twins. Don't tell me.
Is it here?
Squado, go. You're the best squad. Squado, where are you?
Swado. Oh my god! Oh!
I was scared.
The house!
The house from Break in One.
Yeah!
We played that. Of course, I just have 2 pizzas.
This is where it all happened.
I see Charlie, Charlie.
Where's Charlie Charlie?
Let's see it's in the playground.
Oh yeah.
Backyard time. Hey, go to the house. You will be distracted of Charlie. Hey, there's an apple. Pizza, just pizza.
I got a badge. There's some pizza. Yeah!
Let's explore.
There's a eyes. Wait, this is the wood that we place.
Yes.
There's some pizza here too.
No! The floor of the top one!
I got some more pizza.
I couldn't get the
There is the mask. There is a mask. There's a broom.
I found some pizza there. Scary Larry, what are you doing there? And there.
Ellie, there's a broom. There's a broom. There's a broom here.
Does it work? They don't have money. Where is the whole table?
I know.
Guys.
No. There's nothing.
There's nothing.
There's nothing.
Because you have to go outside. Oh my god. I think bedroom is... No, I'm always gonna go.
There's a mask
Where?
upstairs.
The bathroom?
No,
Where?
right here. In this desk.
Oh no!
Oh no.
It's not safe.
No.
Though.
No.
Hey!
You know what? I'm gonna hide. I'm gonna hide. I'm gonna hide. Look, there's a broom. Wait, there's a mask here. Look, Ellie, there's a mask here too.
Can we get the mask?
No.
Or
Someone go outside.
let's watch.
Let's watch it. I'm gonna watch it.
Can I go to the TV now?
There's. Oh!
Oh, Scary Larry is there.
It's not Scary Larry.
I want to go to the TV.
Hey Larry, can I get on top of you? Emergency broadcast. Group of looks.
New leader, Scary Larry. Got to be more evil. It's clear new actions must be taken. We
Why?
have assigned Scary Larry and Larry to handle the new group of noobs. Scary Larry has been spotted in the woods with the dream team. This will be fun. Open your doors. Let them in. Let them in.
And Larry.
Oh
Why? We see you. Oh my god. You don't see me. Uh-oh.
Stinky.
Uh-oh, Stinky. Uh-oh, Stinky.
They found us. I shouldn't have
Trust that dumb dog.
It's glitching.
Get prepared, they're here.
I know.
Who's here?
What's here?
Everyone ready?
It's
Yup,
the pizza box.
I'm ready. Eh di maaalam na alam natin. It's a pizza boss! Go! It's the pizza boss. Are we the only one? Guys, run! Wow!
I fell. Where are the stars?
We are the only one.
Oh no.
We're dead. I can finally resist it. Guys, we have a challenge. If me and Ellie die, yep, this video is over if we die. We will not use Robux.
I don't have Robux.
Let's start from warm up. Fight the other one.
Wow.
Ouch! Ow! Ow!
Chili peppers. I don't want chili peppers to the pizza. Of course, this Papa God is what is in
Ah!
I think I'm gonna die.
Attack me. It said attack me. Yeah. Ah! Get me. Use your attacks to fight with me. How pathetic. Oh my god. Ah! It's me. It's only going for me too. Ah! 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 Uncle Pete, help me! Ellie! Click your weapon! You can attack them if they are on the back. Look, I am attacking them. Even if they are on my back, I can attack them. I have so much money. Ah! Ellie, eat! You have low health. Eat! Oh no, he's gonna spin again. I know he's gonna spin. He is spinning in breaking 1 and breaking 2. Ouch! Ow! Ow! Ow!
What is that?
Ow! He's smashing with peppers. Ow! 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 Oh no, Ellie, we're not gonna finish this. Ah, I'm gonna die. have no more health. I'm gonna die. Ow! 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 Ow!
Just keep jumping.
Wow!
Do not attack me, guys.
Yes! Please.
That all of them? All of them?
I have no food. I have no food.
I have no food too.
Hey!
I have ice block. Do you want ice?
No.
I have an ice block. That's so good.
I'm gonna climb.
We got 50 of the money.
This is this it? No.
Is this it?
I want food.
Let's put in the refrigerator. No.
Maybe there's food
I
upstairs.
thought there is.
Maybe
no.
there's food upstairs.
No, we got the food from upstairs, though.
But Larry is here.
It's yesterday. We are just gonna go to protect this place. There's nothing.
What is that?
What's that? That's coming from my eye. Go upstairs.
There's no one.
No one here? No one here to protect us?
No, Larry is in danger.
Larry is in danger?
Wait,
Oh my god. You have no lungs.
I know.
Exactly.
We can't stay here anymore.
Let's go out now. We can stay here.
Now, yeah, let's move into another house.
I think we cannot.
There's money.
How could we get out in this house? The doors are locked.
And the basement is
Get
locked.
out of the window and this thing.
The basement is locked again. I hear them.
Me too.
Wait.
I hear
Me too, I hear him too. I want to go outside.
five.
Ah! Okay, again. Okay.
Five.
Come here. I don't see them. I don't see them anywhere. Wait, where? Where? Oh, there. Ja! Come here. Excuse me, boss. I mean, Larry. What are you talking about? Larry is a good guy now. He is not scary, Larry. He is Larry. We're here for other people. Yeah, us. Get out. Scary Mary said for us to deal them. It's us. No, get out.
Who's that? I still have the ice block. Should I constantly do the ice block?
Try it. Try it. Try it.
Gotta be careful.
No. Hey, yes. Wash my hands.
Stop!
Face.
Do you want ice in your face?
Yes. I want this in my face. Ten, 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 ten. I'm gonna be in your van. Can I join? I am the villain. No. I am just kidding. I am Team Larry. Where is the van? Ooh, a sewer. The twin. Wait. Wait, is that Willy Wonka? It looks like Willy Wonka.
It looks like a vampire to me.
To me, it looks like a Willy Wonka.
When I go here?
Yep,
Oh,
yep,
when
you.
I go here.
But there's a barrier. Larry!
No!
Hey, Willy Wonka, stop it.
It's not even chocolate.
Willy Wonka.
It's green. No, Larry!
Remember, Ellie, we cannot respawn, okay? Don't use Robux to respawn. Don't choose Robux. Don't choose Robux, okay?
He is the root.
What root? Willy Wonka is a root?
Yes.
Root! Root!
Oh,
Root!
and attack Willy Wonka.
Headmaster has infected brain. He used Larry. Okay.
Where is he?
Hey, why are you so fat, Bradley Beans?
Hey, can you give
We
me
must
some?
find Barry and Mary. Ooh, Barry.
Where is Barry though? The sewers?
Maybe. I'm gonna go.
Can we?
I'm gonna go to see. Come on, we need to hurry.
What are you doing?
Cham 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 cham. Cham 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 cham. Cham cham cham.
Wait, this is
Oh no, we need to fight someone. I'm gonna fight them. Hey! Ellie, help me! Ellie! Help me! No help. Wait, you can buy weapons? I didn't know that.
I have 2 weapons.
Wait. What do you mean by 2? I got the bat. I can buy. I will buy. Let's go. Let's go to Mary's base. But they said this is Mary's base. That was close. I'm almost. But I see you. I'm almost.
Are you dead?
No,
Then where are you?
I'm here.
Where?
At the boss fight.
Huh?
Here at the base. Did you get ending? Maybe they are gonna teleport you. Barry! Why is Barry look like a grandpa? No need for talking. Let this battle begin. Uh-oh. That's when I got my chips. Really? Mary? Really again? Ah! Why me? Dude, actually, why me? Hey, Ellie, fight! You're cheating. Ah! Where's Swado and Pete? Then go. Don't go. Ah! Dude, actually, Mary, why me? Ellie, fight! No! If I die, it's all on your own. Ouch! Dude, I'm super low. I'm super duper duper low. Attack! Ah! Ah! I died! You were kicked from this experience. Respawn purchase coming soon. What? I died.